When you're working on your forms, sometimes you find out that you need to create specific lead attributes. So the information that you find inside of SalesJet as a standard information are not enough, okay? So what you do, like for example, first name, last name, email, phone, condition, shoe size, height, are not enough. You need to have more options. It may be that your business needs specifically to ask account number for their electricity bill or other kind of information. So you can create an attributes. When you do that, you give the name of the attributes, and then you can give what kind of attribute is this. It can be something like a checkbox or a number or a date and time or text, or it can be words that a person needs to write down. Once you've done that, for example, account number, in this case it would be a number as an attribute, and we're going to save it. We can then create one. So we're going to duplicate this field, and then we're going to create a specific lead attribute, which is account number. So account number, and then all right. So this is an example of where you can create specific lead attributes that then you can use inside of your funnels. And it's really important because when you're going to check your leads, you will find out that the system will have recorded all those elements, and you can create and structure your leads the way you want and the way you need for your business. Another place where you can do that is in the project settings, in the contact attributes. So here you can create as many attributes as you want for all your funnels and all your modules. And some businesses have multiple checkbox that a customer needs to confirm. And so that's where you create all those, and it's a very useful tool, especially with the constantly evolving rules and regulation for online marketing. This is an area that will allow you to basically be always compliant, because it's not just something that you want to learn from the lead. It allows you also to create, for example, specific checkbox. Okay, so when you're creating a new attribute, you can determine text, date and time, number, or checkbox. So you might put an attribute that is a date and time when the person accepted this specific parameter, and you might need the person to write down date and time, and so on and so forth. So this is where you can create the forms and the lead attributes the way you want, and it's a very simple tool, but it's extremely powerful.